Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to translate text in Word document. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're working with different languages, but your language skills are a little rusty, you may be looking for a quick translation tool. Microsoft Office has you covered. You can translate a document easily within Word itself. So, in this video, I will show you how to translate text in Word document. So, first of course, we have to open the Word document that you want to translate the text. You can open the file. Okay, and I want to translate this text. You can go to the ribbon menu on the review section, click on the review, and you'll find there is an option translate. You can just click on that. You can choose if you want to translate selection text, translate the selection with Microsoft Translator, or you can create a translated copy of your document with Microsoft Translator. I will just choose on translate selection. Now you can just block on the text that you want to translate. This one, this paragraph for the example. If you want to change to translate to another language, choose the language in here. You can translate to Indonesian, or if you want to translate into another language like Irish or Japan, you can just choose the language in here. It's very simple and cool, right? Now, you can, if you click on insert, so the text will be translated. So that is how to translate text in Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!